Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will give the examples on finding inverse Laplace transformations by using partial fractions. Already in the previous session also, we saw some problems. In this video, I will give some more examples. Okay? Find L inverse of S by S square plus 4 into S square plus 25. Solution. First consider the inside function. What is the inside function? S by S square plus 4 into S square plus 25 is equal to, okay now. So for finding partial fractions, we should observe the structure of the denominator. What is the structure of the denominator? There are two factors in product which are quadratic factors, and also these quadratic factors are irreducible factors. What is the mean by irreducible factors? Which do not solve to linear factors, which do not have linear factors. Okay, this is called irreducible quadratic factor. This is also another irreducible quadratic factor. Okay, that's why we can take the partial fraction as as plus b by s square plus 4 plus, for the second factor, cs plus d. ab are completed, that's why start with c. cs plus d by s square plus 25. Since the denominator is quadratic term, its numerator should be linear term. That's why we can take the partial fractions in this way. Here also denominator is quadratic term, that's why its numerator should be linear term. Okay, this is the way to find out the partial fractions. Now take the LCM and equate the numerators on both sides, and we have to find out the values of a, b, c and d. Okay, this is the general method to find out the partial fractions. But this method is very difficult and this method takes much time. Okay, that's why I will give another example, another method which is a shortcut method. Don't use this general method. Okay, 1 by, okay, write in the outside 1 by. Here we are observing that in the first factor constant is 4, in the second factor constant is 25. In both of these 4 and 25, 25 is the greatest number. That's why 25 minus least value minus 4. Okay, please write this ratio in the outside. Now write inside s by, already in the numerator we have only s, that's why s by first factor which is least factor s square plus 4 minus s by second factor which is s square plus 25. This is the way to find out the partial fractions. Okay, don't use a, b, c, d general method. Okay, now take inverse Laplace transform on both sides. So L inverse of s by s square plus 4 into s square plus 25 is equal to 1 by 21 is the constant term. Take L inverse to inside, so you will get L inverse of s by s square plus 4. 4 can be written as 2 square minus L inverse of s by s square plus 25 can be written as 5 square. Close the brackets. Okay, clearly these both parts are in the form of L inverse of s by s square plus a square, which is in the form of cos at. According to this formula, both parts becomes to 1 by 21 into this is cos 2t minus this is cos 5t. This is the result of the given problem. Okay, I will give another example now. Find L inverse of s square by s square plus 4 into s square plus 9. This is the given problem. Here also we are observing that denominator has two different quadratic factor which are irreducible to linear factors. Okay. First consider the inside function, which is s square by s square plus 4 into s square plus 9 is equal to, in general, numerator of s square plus 4 should be in the form of as plus b, plus numerator of the second quadratic factor should be in the form of cs plus d. Since this is linear factor, its this is a quadratic factor, its numerator should be linear factor. Okay. If it is a cubic term, denominator is a cubic term, its numerator should be quadratic term. In that way we can find out the partial fractions. That is the general method to resolve the given fraction into partial fractions. Okay. But here this procedure takes very maximum time. So to minimize the time of the calculation, we can use the shortcut. So we are observing that in the first factor 4 is the constant, in the second factor 9 is the constant. So in both of 4 and 9 is the greatest value minus least value, 9 minus 4, by here numerator is s square by first factor s square plus 4 minus same numerator s square by second factor s square plus 9. Okay. But don't apply inverse Laplace transform here, because if you apply L inverse on both sides here, then we do not have the formula for L inverse of s square by s square plus 4. That's why first simplify this one. 1 by 9 minus 4, 5. In the denominator we have s square plus 4 in the first part. So in the numerator add 4 and subtract 1 4. 4 minus 4 getting cancelled, s square by s square plus 4, minus, in the similar way in the denominator we have s square plus 9. That's why add 9 to numerator and subtract 9. Now split the terms. 1 by 5. Take this is single part, s square plus 4 by s square plus 4. Minus 4 by s square plus 4. Again s square, you can treat s square plus 9 as a single term. So you will get s square plus 9 by s square plus 9 minus of minus plus 9 by s square plus 9. Okay. That equal to 1 by 5 is the constant. S square plus 4, s square plus 4 getting cancelled. 1 minus 4 by s square plus 4 minus s square plus 9 by s square plus 9 getting cancelled. Again you will get minus 1 plus 9 by s square plus 9. So minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled here. So 1 by 5 of, first write this term because it is positive, 9 by s square plus 9 minus 4 by s square plus 4. Okay. So here we can find the partial fractions of this given function in this way. Now take L inverse on both sides. Therefore L inverse of this given function becomes s square by s square plus 4 into s square plus 9 is equal to 1 by 5 is the constant term. Okay, 9 is also constant term. So L inverse of 1 by s square plus 3 square, 9 can be written as 3 square, minus 4 is again constant term. So 4 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2 square. Okay. Now we are observing that these both parts are in the form of L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square, whose formula is 1 by a sin a t. Okay. What is a value in the first part? 3. In the second part, a value is 2. So 1 by 5 is there. 9 into 1 by 3 sin 3t minus 4 into 1 by 2 sin 2t. So 3 times, 2 times. The result is 1 by 5 of 3 sin 3t minus 2 sin 2t.